Let's take a look at the way that you use the Signal Self to Note feature. The Self to Note feature inside of Signal is a special contact entry that acts as a sort of a private or an end-to-end encrypted system or end-to-end encrypted chats where you can send files to yourself or just write down ideas or act as a note. So the way that you use the Self to Note is you'll see the Self to Note right away as you open up the chat section. That would be on the top of the screen. So you can just tap open this option or the Self to Note and you can type in regular chats, send in pictures and media, as well as send in voice messages. If you tap on the plus icon as normally, as a chat, you can send in other files and send in locations as well. You can also enable the disappearing message inside of Self to Note by tapping on the three dotted line and then heading over to chat settings. Here you'll see the option called disappearing message, which you can also enable in this section. So that's all there is in using the Note to Self feature inside of Signal. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.